Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a dynamic exercise that's going to get your heart rate up and muscles warm. We're starting with some energetic jumping jacks. The purpose of a dynamic warm-up is to increase blood flow, loosen up your muscles, and gradually increase your heart rate. It's like sending an invitation to your body saying, hey, we're about to do something great here, let's get ready. That's it for the warm-up. Now let's dive into our 20-minute full-body workout. We all struggle to find time for exercise. But here's the good news. A short, effective workout can be your solution. Imagine this. A 20-minute full-body workout that not only gets your heart pumping, but also targets every major muscle group. From your shoulders to your calves, every move is designed to maximize your time and effort. This workout is not only efficient, but it also offers huge benefits for your overall fitness and health. So, are you ready to break a sweat? Let's get started. We're going to target different muscle groups with a series of full-body exercises. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got squats. These are great for strengthening your lower body. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees and lower your hips like you're sitting back into a chair. Push back up to standing. If you're new to fitness, you can modify this move by sitting back onto a chair and standing up again. Next, we have push-ups. These target your chest, shoulders, and arms. Start in a high plank position, lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up. If you're a beginner, modify this by doing the push-ups on your knees or against a wall. Now, let's combine a couple of moves for an intense workout experience. This is a burpee. Start by standing, then drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, lower your chest to the floor, then jump back up to standing. It's tough, but it's a fantastic full-body move. Moving on to lunges. Step forward with one foot, and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and switch legs. You can modify this by reducing the depth of your lunge. Lastly, we've got the plank. This will work your entire core. Get into a forearm plank position and hold. Beginners can modify this by holding the plank on their knees. Remember, the key to a successful workout is maintaining proper form and consistency. Phew, that was intense, wasn't it? Let's quickly recap the key exercises from our workout. Remember, our focus was on full-body fitness, targeting different muscle groups with each move. We can't stress enough the importance of consistency and maintaining proper form. It's not about speed or high reps, it's about quality and technique. Give this workout a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content. We'd love to hear your experience or feedback in the comments section. Stay fit, stay healthy,